what's happening, guys? It's Bruno here from Bruno's Classic Car Garage. There'll be a couple of videos here in the last couple days or so. So we got another engine here in the square body finally. Been a long time a-coming. A long time a-coming. So anyways, for anybody that doesn't know, well, this is my truck first of all. And it basically started with this engine. We've already had the truck. It's been in the family since the late 90s, I believe. And so it was time to do a restore on it. So it's going to be slightly different than what it was, that's for sure. So this is, for anybody that doesn't know, it's a 327. It's a small journal. I think it's out of a 66 Impala. And so this is a full roller motor. I'm pretty sure this is going to put out, you know, I did all the numbers on everything I put into it, and it should work out to be somewhere around, you know, around probably 510, 520, somewhere in there, about 400 foot-pounds of torque. So it's pretty respectable for this little engine. And yeah, I could have went with an LS because I heard that I don't know how many times already, but I didn't want an LS. I wanted old school. It's got a huge stall in it, big cam. So heads are 204, and these heads will actually flow to 700 with the valve train that's in it right now. And I believe now, because I got 1.6 ratio rockers, and I think that puts it at about 599 lift. So there's a little bit to go, but I didn't want to max it out, you know. So that's kind of where it's at with that. And I got that real nice Edelbrock carb on there. Yeah, pretty awesome. So I got a lot of goodies on this thing. There's still a ways to go yet. I want to get the suspension on it now so I can get the front end on the wheels. And then get everything on the firewall. You know, like the heater box, all the stuff, the wiring, steering column, everything that needs to be on there. And then all the sheet metal is already painted for the front. So I'm kind of hoping in the next couple weeks, you know, depending what I got going on here. But I'd like to get all the sheet metal back on this thing and start to make it look like a truck, because I want to get it, you know, running in the chassis here with some, you know, the proper exhaust on it and all that kind of stuff. And see what it really sounds like. It was pretty mean on the run stand. This thing's already been run. And it runs really good. It's pretty amazing. So, and there's tranny's a turbo 350. We just put a shift kit in it and resealed it and all that kind of stuff. It came out of a friend of mine's car, had 78,000 K on it only, so it's actually tranny's really good. So that's about it, guys. I just wanted to put a little snippet of this in there. It's been a while since I did anything on the square body. So there you have it. Till later, I guess I'll do another video here probably the next time once I get the front end together and stuff like that. Alright guys, talk to you later.